guys, today we're going to be talking about fields and gravity. Let's get started. So we're going to talk about force fields to begin our discussion. Force fields are basically areas in which a force is acting on everything that is within that field that has a particular characteristic or property. Now the most common example of force field would be a gravitational field. Any object that has a mass will be prone to the force of gravity, and gravity will attract that object to its core in proportion to the object's mass. And this is our familiar equation: force of gravity is equal to mass times gravitational acceleration. And we always said that gravity points to the center of the earth or directly bottom